Hello, so in today's video we are going to make some cute little clay things. And the first thing to make cute clay thing is kneading. Kneading is very necessary to make clay super smooth and flexible. So first I made a round super clay ball and took another ball and pressed it with the lid. So this white flat round thing will be act as face of our character. And for the ears you can see in the video how I am making it. Just put pressure on the one edge and leave the other side. It needs little bit of practice, but I know you will make it. Now it's time to make our cute little bow. For the middle part I will make a triangular shape, and for both sides I will make two drop shape. Making drop shape is pretty easy as you can see in the video. Now attach all the three things together. Now paste it around the ears of our character. It's time to add the nose. For the nose I used yellow color clay. With the help of marker I made the eyes. So coming to the next thing, I am making something very unique. Here I added white acrylic color to the yellow clay to make it that beautiful pastel yellow shade. And here I am making something like hat structure with the help of plastic knife, which mostly we get on our birthdays, right? So students who don't have clay tools, they can use anything like you have to think what you can use as a tool. But see how I am reusing it as a clay tool. So give me cheer for that. With the help of craft, we are saving environment, don't we? I know we are not completely saving our environment, but still we are contributing something, right? So here I am making a little pastry with a strawberry topping. For that we have to give our clay a cylindrical shape. Again I am giving this shape with the help of lid, but you can also use scale. Another name of scale is ruler, just in the case you don't understand. And fold it exactly in the way as I am doing in the video. And I know you might thinking this is super easy, and yeah, this is. And you know, at the end after watching these three things, the only thing will come out from your mouth will be super cute, so cute. I am not even exaggerating. Just watch this video till the end. So I already made the strawberry. To give that realistic look, I will also add leaves. Here I am making leaves with the green clay, and with the help of my fingers I am giving that leaf shapes, and then I will attach it to the pastry. And here is one more thing, people who don't know that how we can stick these things. So super clay are pretty sticky in nature, but that doesn't mean it can stick to your fingers. It can only stick to each other. Here I am adding white super clay to the strawberry to give that realistic look. You can also use acrylic color. And here is the final look. Don't you all think this is super cute? So that is it for today. Bye.